Are you ready to make an easy and inexpensive craft that can spice up your home or room decor? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make a paper dahlia. I got this lovely idea from Pinterest. I've always been interested in making crafts, and I'm always looking at Pinterest and other crafty sites for ideas. I have found that the paper dahlia is very easy and fun to make. I'm going to start off by naming all the materials you will need. You'll need a paper plate, pencil, scissors, a glass, a ruler, hot glue gun and glue, and paper. You can use any type of paper you would like, such as construction paper, scrapbook paper. I decided to use an old dictionary and cut those into squares, 3.5 by 3.5. So we're going to start by taking the paper and rolling it into cones. And your cone will look like this, and you're going to want to put glue on the flat side right here. We're going to hold that down. And here is a cone. You're going to want to make about 40 for this size of paper dahlia. Next, we're going to start gluing the cones to a paper plate. But first, we have to cut out the paper plate. We're going to take the glass and the paper plate, and we're going to trace it. Then, when you cut it out, it's going to look like this. Then you can start gluing your cones on to the paper plate. After your first row of cones, it'll look like this. You're going to want to make sure that you evenly space your cones. After the second row, it'll look like this. And on the second row, you place your cones in between the cones of your first row. Then after the third row of your paper dahlia, it'll look like this. And then the finished product will look like this. Now I'm going to review the steps. So first, you start off with a square of paper and rolling them into cones. Then you're going to cut out your paper plate circle and then glue the cones onto the paper plate, starting from the outside to the inside to finish up looking like this. And that is how you make a paper dahlia. This craft will give your room or house the right amount of wow factor. There are many different ways you can decorate using paper dahlias. You can make a garland using mini clothespins and twine, or you can put it on a canvas to hang on your wall, or you can add them to any home decor you would like. So when making your paper dahlias, use your imagination and be very creative. Have a great time experimenting with sizes and colors, and have fun making your paper dahlias.